Yeah, welcome, colleagues. Yeah, in this tutorial, we are going to continue with our database management system form designing. Yes, we are done with the importing of our fields into our form design. So we are now going to add some colors and other features just to make it look beautiful, just like the one we saw in our demonstration. So let's quickly look at what we're going to do. Now, in this is the normal view. For us to add any design or color or any other feature or features to this, we have to switch back to what? Design view. And to do that, you can either, this is it. This is the file, the student details. This is the name of it. This is our table here. So we don't need this for now. So we can, student info, we can close it. So we're going to deal with the form. So we can either right click here and then then you click on design view, or just right click on this and still choose design view. Any of them goes. So let's just do this. So it's now switched back to design view. So with this, we can adjust our fields. Now let's take note of something. These are the labels of these fields. These are the fields. This is where we're going to be taking or typing in the information we're going to take from either our students or our employees or whatever it is. We're going to type them in here. And these are the labels. So please take note of the difference. These are the labels. The labels are telling us what we need to enter here. So first name is telling you that here you will enter the first name, because when we switch it back to the normal view, all this, what we are seeing here, we won't be able to see it again. It is only the labels that will tell us what we need to enter in here. So these are the labels and these are the fields. So now let's quickly look at some few adjustments we need to do. So if you look at the first name field, is a bit shorter, so we can extend it to make it longer, because some names might be longer. So let's do that. Yeah, and just this one as well. Date of birth, I think we can equally do that one too, like that. Yeah, as for the roll number, you can maintain in the class too. I think we can maintain the class too. Now, name of parent and guardian, we can, that one too be longer, because it will have, or it will contain the two names, both first and then the last name. So we can equally adjust it. Even it may be longer than this, but we prefer it being equal to this just to make our design look cool. Good. So the contact too can also be prolonged a bit. And then, good, I think it's okay. With this, we are done. Now, we need to, or would like to give all the labels the same features and design. So to do that, we'll have to select all of them. So you can just click and drag over them to get them selected. Now, these are some labels here. So to select them, in addition to this, just press Control on the keyboard. Then you click on them once, just to select them in addition to this. Then from there, we can now have our property sheets here, where we can choose our properties like font style, font color, font color, background color, or any other design we like to implement or have on these particular labels. So let's quickly look at that. So to do that, let me just do this. So we have them in here. So from here now, we can just select them now. So format, what? So all these tabs have the work they do. So in this, we're going to just go to the format tab, and then we're going to format them by doing what? Maybe changing the font style, font size, font color, and a lot more. So let's look at the property sheet here. It's for us. The tools are here for us. So you can decide on the design to choose just to make your work look very beautiful. So let's look at this. First of all, let's look at the font. Is it style? Okay. Let's look at the font color. Font color has effects. That is this. This is the color that the text in the label fields will be changed to. So let's look at that. So I prefer we choosing maybe black. So you can see that our tests have all changed to black. Now let's look at the font size. Good. So the font size, I'll prefer making it 12 just to make it bigger. Now let's look at the font weight. So we have to bold it just to make it look bold. Good. So we can see it's very clear. Now, please just take note of the properties we are just using here. We're talking about the font size, font color, font weights, and a lot more. The font color. This will give us the colors that the text will be having. And then let's look at other features as well. So I think with this, so let's quickly um, switch back to normal view and see the appearance of what we have just or the changes we've just made. So to do that, just close this. You'll be prompted to save. Yeah, just say save. So open it back and see. Wow. So you can see that upload image, the text is not showing. This means we need to what? Readjust the labels. So take note of that. You can see parent and guardian. The N is not showing and some other features. Always take note of this anytime you switch to normal view. So to do that, we quickly switch back to what? Our design view. Then we will have to adjust them. So the name, we are adjusting it. So it's now clear. This one too is now clear. Date of birth. So now clear. Roll number. It's okay. Now, Guardian, I think this will also change our design format a bit. So we'll have to make some adjustments here just to match with what we've just changed. Good. The contact as well. Good. I think we'll be good to go. Now, let's just check here too. It's not showing us. Good. It's now clear. Good. I think it's now better than before. Let's quickly switch back to normal view and see. Yes, save. Good. Everything is now showing clear and perfectly. You know, I prefer one of these font styles, which is this Times New Roman. So I think I'll use it there just to make our labels look better than this. So design view. So I have to double click here to display the property sheets. Then I'll then select all of them this way by pressing and holding the control button as I do the selection with just clicking once and oh, good. Font style. Where is the goddamn font style? Yeah, font's name rather. Okay, so I'll just type times. It's just there, so just hit enter, and then you have it. It's changed. So our font style or font's name has changed. Good. So I think we are done with this. With the labels, we are done. Now with the fields, let's look at some few adjustments we can do with the fields. So let's select all of them, press, and then hold the control button as you do the selection. So let's give it some properties as well. So let's just look at the you know, here we're not going to deal with the font. So because as for the text, it will not appear when we switch back to normal view. So we are not going to do anything with the font. So we leave it like that. Just going to do some adjustments, some design on the fields. That's all. So let's look at this. Let's go for this special effect. Let's choose sunken. Yeah, I love it so much. When I chose it, it was perfect. And then border style, I think we maintain the way it is. And then, yeah, all these are okay. What else do we have to change here? Back color. Should we change it to something? No. We prefer it the way it is. So let's just undo our action. Border color. Let's try. You know, these tools are for us, okay? So we can go ahead and be trying them and be seeing what the effects they'll be having on our design. So you can be trying them like that, just to see what is going to happen. Yeah. So I think let's quickly switch back to normal view and see the appearance of our work. Okay, you can see it's not all that nice. So we need to make it look better. So let's quickly switch back to design view and see. Good. This and then this and that. So special effect. Let's give it some special effect. I choose sunken previously. I was not choosing very well, so I have to come back to it. So done. Okay, let me just. Yeah, I think the fields are now looking better than before. Yeah, we are good to go. Yeah, we can do our typing stuffs here. Good. I think it's okay. That's okay. Good. So let's quickly switch back to design view and see further features or properties we can add. Yep. I'm trying to make things possible, not to make this video too long, but then it's just trying to mess up. Back color. Let me try something here and see. No, 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 no. Please come back to normal. I prefer it being this way. Text align is okay. Border width is okay. Transparent. Okay. Back style. Transparent. Okay. Now let's switch back to this and see the changes we've just made. Wow. So you can see it has messed everything up. So let's quickly go back and then undo our action. That is very simple. Sorry. Good. So special effect is gone. God damn. So sunken. I'm bringing it back. This. Maintaining it to normal. Think I'm okay. Let me quickly switch back and then see it. And then I think this is okay. We don't have to mess up with what we've done so far. So let's switch back to our design view and then give it a background color. So to do that, just right click here and then go for back color. Then choose color of your choice, please. You have the right to choose any color of your choice because some of you guys out there know how to combine colors. Well, I'm not good at that, please. So I just any color to goes for me. So let me go with this. Is it okay? Okay, let me switch back to normal view and see. Good. I think this color is okay for me. So I'll maintain this one. So let's switch back to design view and see other few things we can add before we go back to. So why don't we just add our label? Then we say goodbye to this tutorial and then come back with other features that we can add so that we continue. Just to make the video short, not to make them too long. So let me try something here. Label. So let me see. Label. Just drag this. Just type the name of your school. Let's see. The name of my school is Wami Chrome. Wami Chrome. Babu Rasul. Please don't ask me the meaning of the name of my school, okay? Islamic Basic School. Good. I think after that, just click outside and then go back again. This will activate these tools for you to use. So in here, we can bold it. We can increase the font style. Let me say 16. Let me just change the color of the font. Will the black be okay? Let's look at the font name. Times. I love this Times New Roman than any other thing. Good. So with this, we can quickly adjust some things here. Ahbabir Rasul. Islamic Basic School. One of the best schools in our district. Hey. Kids are very good. Good. I think we are good to go in here. You see, you can use the control keys to adjust this. If you want to go this way, down, you can do that. At least that will just increase your productivity to speed up your work for you instead of using the mouse and then this and that. Good. So then let's go for the background color here. Why don't I use this color for me? Yep. I think it's okay. Color is okay. Yep. Let me just try adjusting some things here. You know, we'll be having our buttons here. So until the buttons come, that will tell us how we can adjust the heading here. Good. So let me just give it some effect, okay? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let me just go for this special effect. Let me just give it sunken again. Yes. I think we'll be good to go, right? Now, let's just add another 10 before we Let's switch back to design and then go for label again. Then we need something like PO box or whatever stuff we saw in our demo video. PO box 11. Good. So click outside and then go back again. That will activate these tools for you, like I said before. Let's just look at the font color. For now, let's give it black so that we can see how it changes as we do our further changes and then properties. So times. Good. Why always Times New Roman? No, I'll have to change this font style. I'll do that right now, please. So you can quickly move it this way, is to make sure it's in the middle, center. Align center at them. Yeah. So that'll be okay. Good. Let it be a bit closer. So let me change this font. The name of this font, okay, please. We have them in here, plenty. So I think let me just look for nice one and then choose. Try this one. No, it's not nice. I don't like this one. Let me look at. Try this one and see. Wow, wow. No, it's making it look awkward to me. Good. I think this Algerian stuff is okay. Let me just quickly add some features here too. The background color, what should it be? I think this is cool. Now, special effects. Let me just choose something like etched. Etched. How does it do? Shadow. Good. Good. So let's quickly switch back and see to normal view. Save. Yeah, I think the design look a bit stunning. Well, it's not bad. Can still manage this. I would prefer changing the font color here. So let's quickly switch back to design view again. Please make sure to follow this tutorial very well and then do exactly what is happening here. By the choice of color, fonts and font style and everything here, it's your business. That one is left to you. The tools are there, like I said. Use them effectively. Use them very well. So let me just change this background color. Let me add something like this. It's okay. This is a bit brightening. Good. So the font color. Oh. Sorry. The font color. No. So it's not showing very clear. I think this is okay for me. Is it showing auto? Font color. I want the one that will show up. Yeah, I think this is okay. Good. I love this. This is okay. Now let's add another label where we can just write what this form is all about or what we need to take in here. I will say student data. Yeah, I will name it like that. Student data. So, student data. So just click outside and click back into it again to activate this tool. So we can bring it center. Yes, for now, let's give the font to black so that we can see the effects our designs are going to take on this. So let me go for my times. I love times. Times, yeah, it's okay. You can quickly adjust this. It's okay. But having this, the font color of this feels black. In fact, it looks okay. Well, let's manage it for now. I'll be doing some changes though. So, like I said, the tools are for you, so you can use them. Please, there's going to be a competition in here. We'll see the one that will be able to combine colors to make the work look outstanding, class. Please show that to me in your presentation, please. Yeah, when you're about to present your work, we want to see class, yes, in the presentation. Not swag, class, we mean class, yeah, yeah. Good. I think this is okay. So let's give it some special effect. Special effect. Let me just say wrist. Yeah. Let's see. Why should it be black at all? Always black, black. Hey, this is not bad. But then I would love something like this. Hey, my color combination. Oh, well, forgive me for that. This is not bad, right? It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, it's nice. So I think I'll end here. In our next tutorial, we're going to add our buttons here just to complete our work and some few designs you saw in our demo video. So thank you very much for watching, and then bye bye for now.